Mary. Welcome back to my channel.
Big bank, take lil bank with a cash at. You don't got no cash, then just hit me on that cash at. Big booth, smoking big pack with a gas at. Rolling up that sack, if it's Thrax, I won't pass that. Big bank, take lil bank with a cash at. You don't got no cash, then just hit me on that cash at.
In this week's video, I'm going to be filming something super spooky and spectacular. Ooh, I like that. I'm going to be representing spooky season as best as I know how to on my channel by making a vlog style video of a bunch of things on a bucket list pretty much that I want to complete for the fall season and before Halloween hits. The first thing was decorate my room, and I've already done that, so I'll insert some footage here of what it looks like. The second thing I wanted to do was something that I've pretty much done on and off all fall, and that's just cook Pillsbury cookies. I'll insert some footage here. This evening, my sisters and I are actually going to do it like Halloween style. We have some cookie dough, we have some cute Halloween cookie cutters, we're going to get icing and decorate some cookies tonight. We're going to be making cookies. We have these. Aubrey's trying to open them. There are a coffin, fangs, and a bat, and we're gonna make these sugar cookies
using Halloween colors. We also got sprinkles.
We have so much stuff. Black icing, green, purple and red, and orange. That kind of looks pinkish peach.
Yeah, it looks pinkish, like pearly pink peach.
But that's all right. I'm gonna time lapse while we do this because this is probably gonna take a long time. So yeah. These are the shapes that we came up with. They look cute.
Awesome, right?
Good.
They don't even look good.
They don't even look the same. Some look like bear paws. The coffins are the squares.
This has been interesting.
Yeah.
Oh my god, you just moved the whole table, you little. Clearly these cookies didn't really turn out cute, so we're just gonna time lapse decorating a cookie. Let me see your pumpkin. Don't drop it though. Very cute. Very nice. The next part in this segment is going to be featuring me and my sisters creating Halloween tree decorations. Now, a Halloween tree is a tradition that my family and I have done for about 12 years now, I think. My mom has informed me that this is actually our 15th year, where we get a pumpkin, basically stab a bunch of sticks in it, and then throw some lights, Halloween decorations, etc. on it, and leave it up for a week before it rots. What we're going to be doing is time-lapsing us making some decorations this year, and then we're going to make the tree. Aubrey's going to do this little cat. I'm going to do this vampire.
And Micah's gonna do a witch.
They're really cute because it looks kind of green, but they're actually yellow. They turned out cute.
You've turned into witches.
Aubrey has no clue what
Wait,
we do.
no.
It wouldn't be spooky season if I didn't carve a pumpkin. Now this year, again, I wanted to carve pumpkins with my friends like I did in last year's video, but that just didn't work out this year. It kind of creeped up on me before I even knew it. So I'm just gonna carve this by myself. It's already hollowed out. I'm just gonna carve a face in it and light it up. Aubrey told me that I need to put a kitty cat face in it, so that's what I'm gonna be doing.
I got a chocolate bar. I got a quarter.
I got 5 pieces of candy. What did you get, Charlie Brown?
I got a rock.
This is how my little cat pumpkin turned out. Do you like it? It's time to do the Halloween tree.
Lots of cord anyhow.
Bringing sunglasses on our drive.
All of our stuff.
Gee, I got a candy bar. Boy, I got 3 cookies. Hey, I got a package of gum. I got a rock. Trick or treat. I got a popcorn ball. I got a fudge bar. I got a pack of gum. I got a rock. I got a rock. I got a rock. I got a rock.
Put the tree topper on. Boom, 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 boom.
I got a rock.
Aww.
I love you.
That's it for my spooky season video this year. Thank you very much for watching. If you got until the end, I really appreciate it. Give this video a like if you enjoyed it. Check out some of last year's spooky season videos and subscribe if you enjoyed my videos. Have a good one.
What is that?